Hi guys! These AI hydraulic press videos are really satisfying and they are going viral in social media platforms. In this video, I would like to share an easy way to create them in easy steps. There are basically 3 steps to follow. Firstly, we want to make some preparations. Go to ChatGPT. Use the prompt in my description below this video to submit. And ChatGPT will provide you with 10 cool ideas. Tell ChatGPT what item you like, and the prompt for image and video will be automatically generated. Take the 10th one, rubber duck for example. ChatGPT is now giving us ready-to-use prompt for text to image and image to video. Next, we want to use HitPaw Photopea for image generation. I will also put the official access link in the description. Find the AI generator, and use the text-to-image feature. Paste the image prompt here. Choose Nano Banana 2 or Nano Banana Pro model, and click on Generate. Seconds later, we have this rubber duck under a hydraulic press machine. Here are other images I created. Then, we are heading to HitPaw Photopea for video generation. Click on the AI video generator on the home page. Select Image to Video tab, and choose a video model from the drop-down menu. I would recommend using Kling AI, VO 3.1 or Cdance 2.0 model. They all do well in video generation. Take Kling model for instance. Import the image we created just now. Copy and paste the video prompt here. Customize the video duration and aspect ratio yourself. Turn on native audio. Finally, click on Generate. After a little while, we have this amazing AI hydraulic video. With the method, we are able to create videos like these. Alright, that's the tutorial for this video. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.